Shout out Talha, both Talha Anjum, Talha Yunus, young stunners, goats.
असर है तो शिकवा करें क्यों जिक्र होता है हर महफिल में वो चाहते पर दिखता नहीं हूँ
Assalamu alaikum. Nice to meet you, bro.
What's up, G?
It's an honor, bro.
That's your man.
Yeah, this is my friend Hassan right here, bro.
Big fan, bro. Big fan. Yeah, no.
Let's go, man. Let's go.
Let's go.
Rock out.
We're running a bit late, but that's fine.
Do you always run late?
Always, bro. Never on time, but always on schedule.
Is it because people like to make them wait, right? To anticipate the performance a little more? Let's go.
That's my manager, Alina.
Hi, how are you? Nice to meet you.
That's my better half, Talha Anjum.
What's up, bro?
Hello, brother. How are you?
Good, man. Good. I like your jacket. Both of y'all. Dripping.
Aja, bro. Aja, bro means okay, come, bro. Bro,
Yar.
yaar means
My bro.
like, you know, buddy.
Dude, thank you so much again, bro. I really appreciate you for inviting me.
Bro, I appreciate what you're doing for us, man.
Dude,
He just flew from Vietnam yesterday.
Yeah.
Just for this.
I texted him. I thought he's in Lahore because I saw your vlog.
He went to
yeah.
Uploaded like 6 hours or something. I thought he was in Lahore.
No, yeah, I'm not
You're
gonna
getting
lie.
your shave.
The street shit.
अच्छा आगे गाड़ी है हमारे पास आगे शिफ्ट कर लेंगे ठीक है जैसे अम्मा देती थी ना वैसी
Do you listen to your music when you're on the way or what? Get hyped?
like we barely listen to our own music.
I feel
we don't
you.
listen to it once it's released, but when it's not released,
Yeah.
we listen to it all the time.
It's like you spend all your energy making it, and then after you make it,
yeah. It doesn't excite you like it would excite you as a listener, you know? Because sometimes we do, like when we have to memorize it, we do.
So y'all are both Talha?
Yeah, so we're both Talha.
Yeah.
He's Talha Yunus Anjum.
Talha
I'm
Yunus.
Talha Anjum. We were in the same school.
Hell
We
yeah.
started rapping together.
So you're from Karachi, right?
Yeah, Karachi. Based in Karachi.
Okay, cool.
We were from Army Public School.
So y'all been rapping together since youngins?
Bro,
we were in skin since we.
So he was in the 11th grade probably. I was in the 10th grade. Or maybe
No
before
way.
that. We were friends on Facebook. So he found out that I listened to rap.
Yeah.
So he was like, yo, we're gonna perform this forever by day.
Yeah. I listen to your music. It's crazy. You're changing the rap game here in Pakistan.
Yeah, man. We actually introduced it.
My favorite word that I found from you is choto, like little one. How do you say?
Chotu.
Chotu.
Chota.
Like shut up, chota.
Yeah. It has different meanings. Like
Or is it?
it's not what you say, it's how you say.
Oh, okay. I remember it was like something, and you were like, I got like 1 million listens, choto or something.
Yeah, I'm the most stream artist.
Yeah.
Not trying to suck my own dick.
Bro, he won Pakistan's biggest artist of the year.
I barely watch like TV, like cable. I don't have cable. I'm on YouTube all the time. I get my news, everything from YouTube. I'm just on YouTube and I, guy like first time in Pakistan, and you were having a paratha.
Oh,
You went out for a breakfast, and you were having that paratha literally like 2 minutes away from my house.
Oh, by Karachi?
Yeah, I just saw the
Mo.
thumbnail. I was like, whoa, that's my. That's where I used to
Dude,
live.
that's crazy.
My-
I mean, y'all get nervous at all, or is this just daily now? Going to perform.
Sometimes I do get nervous. So we do this like 4 times a week.
This is the
Sometimes it's
lifestyle.
hard to get nervous. Mostly we're just annoyed. Yeah, daily routine. I remember I used to do this in our schools, like Pakistan, whenever there's like the first hour of the school, like you pull up 8 a.m.
Yeah.
You gather in a ground
assembly,
and you do an assembly. They call it an
In
assembly.
front of the whole school.
Yeah, and every class gets a chance to prepare a presentation. And they gave me. They said you're gonna do the thought of the day. The thought of the day was as simple as be like a candle that burns itself, but gives light to others. I fucking forgot it, bro. I choked. That's my first time I ever went on stage. That's the only time that I felt nervous.
You know it's hard when you don't understand it, but you still just like fucking bomb in your head. I mean, is Pakistan rap, like how long has it been really blowing up?
I think, bro, we did our first song. The first song that was famous was in 2012. That was Burger Karachi.
to the U to the R to the G, E to the R. What you know about me?
Burger day. You know what burger means? Fancy. Private school and shit.
So 2012.
That's a burger.
Like a burger boy. If you're privileged, if you're, you know.
Daddy money and all that shit.
Ah, okay.
You're a burger. So the first song that we did was actually a social satire.
Okay.
It was called Burger Karachi.
Yeah.
It was about the elite.
Right.
That is the first song that like just went blew up. It just blew up. Like we uploaded it. There was this website called Reverb Nation, right? Reverb Nation, SoundCloud, all that stuff.
Yeah.
We didn't have we didn't have YouTube.
Yeah. After you blew up, the month after, did you feel more pressure to like create when you were creating?
So the thing is, it was rap, right? And it's the first time a rap song is blowing up. So the listeners, they don't know what to do with it.
Yeah.
We didn't know what to do with it. We were famous,
Yeah.
but we were broke.
What would you tell the creator right now? Creating music or art or silly videos like me that wants to get to the next level, like what would you tell them?
Now, people don't get their entertainment from the TV. Like I told you, I don't have cable.
Yeah.
I choose what I want to see.
Your
On their
music
phone and
tastes
stuff.
shine.
I think this is a good time where you need to put more and more stuff, not just music, you know?
Yeah.
This guy just dissed the fuck out of someone.
You just did someone?
Recently, bro.
अफसाने अब लिखता नहीं हूँ, मैं दुनिया को दिखता नहीं हूँ। पूछो मैं कितना सही हूँ, तो एक जगह टिकता नहीं हूँ। बसर करते हैं तेरे दिल में, असर है तो शिकवा करें क्यों? जिक्र होता है हर महफिल में, वो चाहते पर दिखता नहीं हूँ। अफसाने अब लिखता
What the fuck? No, that was nuts. We're about to get mobbed here. Alright, we gotta dip out of here. Holy. What the heck? Yo, snap. Good show, bro. Yo, that was nuts.
Yes.
Shout out Talha, both Talha Anjum, Talha Yunus, young stunners, goats of the rap game here in Pakistan.
Hell yeah. Yeah.
So, what do you rate
Thoughts
this?
on the concert?
Yeah, how are you feeling right now?
I'm tired.
I feel you.
Yeah.
Lahore is always 10 on 10.
Hell yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I swear.
Shit was crazy.